So when you've got quite a big tear, you are going to want to tape it up. The best way to do it is to make sure that all the hair is below. Push the hair down and then meet the two together where the edges are first. So one on here, and then we're going to want to pull it over across to meet the other side. Once we've got that down, you're going to want to just repeat pushing it down from one side, overlapping and pulling it across. And then lastly, overlapping, pulling across, tightening up the gap. Now look, this is not going to be the most ideal situation, but as you can see, it's completely covered. I would then also go one down this way just for safety. Now I understand hair systems are expensive and they do tear and rip over time, and if you want to get the longest out of it and you can't afford to keep replacing them, then this is a perfectly reasonable way to fix a tear.